Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a welcome message in your Discord server. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, come to the Discord server which you wish to add the welcome message to. You will either need to be the owner of the server or have the relevant permissions. Go to the top left and click on the server name and click on server settings. Then go down to the left and go and click on app directory under apps, and you need to type in the bot called Dino. Type that in, press on it. Click on add app. You'll be taken to the Dino website. Dino will want access to a Discord account which you'll need to go and give, which I agree to. So I'll press authorize and it says welcome. A pop-up will appear which lets you get set up, which you can go through. Dino has so much to offer, but of course we just want to add the welcome message. So here it is, and then what you want to do is go and switch welcome on and then go and click on settings. Then what we can do is we want to head back to our server now. And if we can close off this like so, we can then go and see Dino has been added. And what I like to do is go and create a welcome channel. So I'll click on create channel in this section and we'll go and call this welcome and click and create channel. Then come back to the Dino website. And then what we can do is choose what you want to happen with the welcome message. In this case, we want a message. We can type in the message and we're given the variables here which is useful. So for example, if you wanted to say hello their name, then you can go and use this variable here. So highlight it and you can right press and press copy saves having to write it out. And you can then go and write just like this. After you set your message, then come up to the welcome channel and you can go and choose it. I may need to go and press one update and then I'll just go and refresh this. And there it is welcome. Then press update. Now, if somebody joins the server, you will get a message that is sent from Dino. So that's basically how you can make a welcome message in your Discord server. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.